Redox in terms of oxygen. The word oxidation was first used to describe a reaction in which oxygen is combined with a substance. So in terms of oxygen, oxidation is a gain of oxygen. In the same way, reduction, the opposing process, is the loss of oxygen. The donor of oxygen is the oxidizing agent, while the acceptor is the reducing agent. Example: copper oxide reacting with carbon. So what do we see here? We see here that we have copper oxide donates oxygen. So copper oxide donates oxygen. Our copper oxide here is our oxidizing agent. So this will give us copper, while the carbon gains the oxygen to give carbon dioxide. So let's balance this equation. So yeah, copper oxide is oxidizing agent because it donates oxygen, while carbon is the reducing agent because it gains oxygen. We say that copper oxide is the oxidizing agent because it donates oxygen to carbon, which is oxidized to carbon dioxide. On the other hand, carbon is a reducing agent which accepts oxygen to form copper oxide, which is then reduced to copper. Other examples of redox reactions include hydrogen chloride reacting with oxygen. Here we have hydrogen chloride plus oxygen. So our oxygen here is the oxidizing agent because it donates oxygen, while hydrogen chloride is the reducing agent. Oxygen donates oxygen, so it's the oxidizing agent and is reduced to water, while hydrogen chloride gains oxygen and is oxidized to water. Another example: iron reacting with water. So water is donating oxygen. Water here is our oxidizing agent. Water is the oxidizing agent. Iron reacts with the oxygen, so iron is the reducing agent. Iron accepts the oxygen, so iron is a reducing agent, and the iron is oxidized to iron oxide, while the oxidizing agent, water, is reduced to hydrogen. Let me now make a brief summary. We have our oxidizing agent, which is the donor of oxygen, and the reducing agent, which is the acceptor of oxygen. So the oxidizing agent donates oxygen during the reaction, while the reducing agent gains oxygen. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is the gain of oxygen. Oxidation. During oxidation, the reducing agent is oxidized, and during reduction, the oxidizing agent is reduced.